Mr. Oforiatta's conduct is totally unacceptable and a baleful spite at law enforcement and criminal investigations. It ends here. It ends today. We will no longer accommodate him. Consequently, the OSP redeclares that Mr. Oforiatta is a wanted person and a fugitive from justice.
This is news on WIDERmedia and I'm Mahima Wider. Former Minister of Finance Ken Oforiatta has appeared on Interpol's red notice as a wanted man for using public office for profit. The Office of the Special Prosecutor (OSP) earlier this week redeclared Mr. Oforiatta a wanted person and a fugitive from justice. This was after the former Minister of Finance failed to appear before the OSP for an investigative interview scheduled for Monday, 2nd June 2025.
To attend the OSP in person on Monday, 2 June 2025 at 13:30 GMT for interview, which is today. The OSP emphasized that if he failed to voluntarily return to the jurisdiction within his stated dates, and if he failed to attend the OSP on the rescheduled date of Monday, 2 June 2025 at 13:30 GMT, his name will be re-entered on the list of wanted persons, and the OSP will consider him a fugitive from justice, whereupon the office will take all necessary legal steps to secure his return to the jurisdiction and attendance at the OSP at our own choosing. Then, by a letter dated 28th May 2025, Mr. Oforiatta's lawyers informed the Special Prosecutor that a medical expert has diagnosed Mr. Oforiatta with cancer and has earmarked 13 June 2025 for surgery, for which reason he would be unable to return to the jurisdiction as scheduled. His lawyer stated that to the knowledge of the OSP, this change in circumstances has been brought to the attention of the court, before which Mr. Oforiatta is presently pursuing a human rights claim against the OSP and the Special Prosecutor. His lawyer stated further that in order not to hold the office back in the performance of his function, they had Mr. Oforiatta's instructions of his readiness to go through video recorded interview for the purpose of eliciting his caution statement. His lawyers offered to meet the Special Prosecutor in person or approach the bench for the purpose of viewing Mr. Oforiatta's biopsy report, whichever suited the Special Prosecutor. Now, ladies and gentlemen of the media, this is where we are now. And let us step back a bit from the 28th May 2025 letter from Mr. Oforiatta's lawyers and place the matters in their proper context. I have intentionally went through a tedious timeline. The letter from Mr. Oforiatta's lawyers, dated 18 February 2025, clearly indicated that the possible surgical intervention to be performed on him was to occur on 20 and 21 March 2025, upon which reckoning the OSP carefully considered the recovery period and indulgently pushed Mr. Oforiatta's attendance at the OSP to 2 June 2025. Therefore, Mr. Oforiatta had a duty to promptly inform the OSP of any fundamental change in his medical circumstances on 21 March 2025, when the advertised surgical intervention was not performed, to enable the OSP reschedule a new date of his attendance at the OSP to accommodate any such material changes in his medical condition and treatment itinerary. Mr. Oforiatta elected to spring a surprise on the OSP on 28 May 2025, just 6 days before his scheduled attendance at the OSP, by offering to undergo a video recorded interview and a viewing of his biopsy report. Now, back to the 28 May 2025 letter from the lawyers of Mr. Oforiatta. As I said, this is where we are. By a letter dated 30 May 2025, the OSP declined Mr. Oforiatta's offer of video recorded interview for the purpose of eliciting his caution statement. This office has always insisted on his personal attendance, and we have indicated clearly to him that we are unwilling to waive it. If we were amenable to taking any such statement from Mr. Oforiatta in absentia, we would have done so in February and not waited to 2 June 2025. We want him here physically, and we insist on it. A suspect in a criminal investigation does not pick and choose how the investigative authority should conduct its investigations and the method suitable to him and his convenience. We will not countenance such conduct, not in this case or in any other case. Further, the OSP has declined Mr. Oforiatta's invitation to view his biopsy report as we consider it a pointless exercise. This much is clear. Since 24 January 2025 till date, Mr. Oforiatta has failed to show any medical report. I underline, he has failed to show any medical report which suggests that he is a travel risk and unable to return to the jurisdiction by reason of his medical condition. It has all been his say-so, his singular say-so. Therefore, the OSP views Mr. Oforiatta's lawyer's letter dated 28 May 2025 as an expression of utter bad faith on the part of Mr. Oforiatta, and it confirms our long-held, well-considered opinion and conclusion that Mr. Oforiatta has no intention of voluntarily returning to the jurisdiction and to attend the OSP. Further, this office is unaware of his purported information to the court, whether orally or by file processes, of the alleged change in his circumstances. Today is Monday, 2 June 2025. It is more than 3 hours past the scheduled time of Mr. Oforiatta's attendance at the OSP, and Mr. Oforiatta failed to attend the OSP today. Mr. Oforiatta's conduct is totally unacceptable and a baleful spite at law enforcement and criminal investigations. It ends here. It ends today. We will no longer accommodate him. Consequently, the OSP redeclares that Mr. Oforiatta is a wanted person and a fugitive from justice. His name is hereby re-entered on the OSP's list of wanted persons. The OSP will take all necessary legal steps to secure Mr. Oforiatta's return to the jurisdiction and to answer to the criminal inquiries against him. In pursuance of this, about 30 minutes before this briefing, I triggered processes for the issuance of an Interpol red notice for the location and provisional arrest of Mr. Kenneth Nanaya Oforiatta in whichever jurisdiction pending extradition or his surrender. Around the same time, I dispatched a request for extradition processes to be instituted for the provisional apprehension in any jurisdiction in which Mr. Oforiatta may be located or found, and his extradition to the Republic of Ghana. The OSP will prefer criminal charges in the courts against Mr. Oforiatta in due course, whether in absentia or otherwise.
Do you think the Minister of Finance has fled the country because of this interview? Share your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget, this is WIDERmedia News, and I'm Mohima Wider. Follow and like for more. Thank you.